For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lynn. I am a one and done parent. I am a happy mom of one. And for those of you who don't know, I am literally writing down what I wrote because if I literally say it or try to talk about it, I will not remember at all. So I have to have it written down and say it. So do bear with me. I'm still getting used to being a content creator and talking, and I wanted to express the topic for today. I'll be talking about how I fix me and my child's sleep schedule. First thing to think about when it comes to a sleep schedule is my child sleeping at a reasonable time? Sometimes we are preoccupied doing stuff, cleaning, getting meals ready, and having a busy schedule. We sometimes lose track of time, and then we start to realize if my child sleeps at a reasonable amount of time, you will have time to take care of a few things, and then you get to sleep at a reasonable time. Which brings me to my next point. Kids thrive at a good routine. I know once it is summertime and your child is out of school, routines can shift, which leads us as the parent to have a shift in our routine as well. What worked for me is I would put alarm clocks every day and every morning. For me, once I am back to going to work after the summer, I usually would put lots of alarm clocks. I am a heavy sleeper throughout the night. Alarm clocks work really well for me to wake up, make sure I am getting ready for my day to go to work, and then get my child ready for her school day. Alarms are great to have so your morning isn't so hectic and you don't have to rush yourself or your child to get ready for the day. Which brings me to my next reason. It is very good to use the school schedule for the summertime. Not only you get to keep the same schedule, you also get to have more time to get things done around the house. And get to have a good breakfast, lunch, dinner time for you and your kid. Which brings me to my next point. Us as parents, we need to make sure we are taking good care of ourselves. We need to stay hydrated and eat a good meal. Personally, I make sure I drink water every day. Water can help you not feel sluggish or sleepy throughout the day. I also make sure I drink coconut water to make sure I stay hydrated. Coconut water has electrolytes and can help your blood pressure, which can support your cardiovascular function. You will get to feel more awake and will be able to have a good start for your day. I literally did this yesterday and today. I didn't like waking up at 10 a.m. because I felt the day was short and it was getting worse. I will say it will take a couple of days to see improvement in you and your child's overall schedules to improve. Literally, I woke up at 8 this morning, which was great for me. I do want to wake up earlier, and as it gets better, I am hoping to wake up before my child wakes up so I can get things done for myself and around the house. I do thank you for watching this video, though hopefully I am able to help someone in any way. I will be doing daily life videos, some informative like this, and my experience in being a one and done parent. If I helped in any way, leave a like or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.